Most people fail at online courses not because their content is bad, but because they choose the wrong platform.
I tested 5 course creation tools that use AI, automation, and smart workflows to build courses fast. One of them completely changed how I think about online training.
In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 best tools to create online courses and showing you what actually matters when you are choosing a platform. Not hype, not features you will never use, just real workflows.
By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which platform fits your use case, whether you're a creator, a business, or a team looking to scale training without burning time or money.
Starting at number 1 on my list is ProProfs Training Maker. ProProfs Training Maker is the world's easiest LMS, and it is 100% online. You get the same level of professionalism and quality you expect from in-person training, but with added flexibility and affordability. That is why the platform is trusted by organizations worldwide, including Dell, Cisco, Acer, and LinkedIn. At the top right corner of the page, click on the Sign Up for Free button to create your account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, and you'll be guided through it step by step. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description so you can get started immediately without any hassle. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard, which looks like this. One of the best things about ProProfs is that it's designed to be beginner-friendly. So even if you're completely new to course creation, you can start building right away without feeling overwhelmed. As you scroll down the dashboard, you'll notice a variety of ready-made course templates. These templates are fully editable, so you can customize the content, structure, and design to match your needs. This is especially helpful if you're not sure how to start from scratch, because it gives you a solid foundation to work from and saves you a lot of time. When you click on the Create a Course button, you're given 4 different options to choose from. You can start by creating a course completely from scratch if you already have a clear structure in mind. You can also build a course using a pre-designed template, where all you need to do is fill in the placeholders with your own content. Another option is to create a course from ProProfs' ready-to-use existing courses, which is a great way to save time and get a solid starting point. However, my personal favorite option is creating courses using ProProfs AI. This feature helps you generate course structure and content much faster, and I'll be demonstrating exactly how it works in just a moment. Now, I'll go ahead and select this option. As you can see, the AI guides you through each step of the process, making everything very straightforward. Let's assume I want to create a course on search engine optimization. I'll start by typing that into the field that asks what the course is about. Next, you briefly describe your course so the AI can understand the context and overall goal of what you're trying to teach. This helps it tailor the course structure more accurately. After that, you have the option to paste in a URL from a web page or a YouTube video, or even provide links to other resources or documentation that you want the AI to reference while building the course. This step is optional, but it can be very helpful if you already have specific materials in mind. You can also upload documents directly, and ProProfs supports multiple file formats, so you're not limited in how you provide your content. Once that's done, you simply select the type of course you want to create. You can choose a shorter course with just a few chapters, or a longer, more detailed course. And even if you start small, you can always add more chapters later. When everything looks good, just click Next. Wow, as you can see, the tool has generated a clean and well-structured outline for the course, without any unnecessary fluff or exaggeration. Everything is laid out clearly and logically, which makes it easy to follow and build on. Now, to generate the full course, I'll simply click on Generate Course and let the AI take care of the rest. At this point, the system does the heavy lifting for you, turning that outline into a complete course structure in just a few moments. ProProfs has just created the course for me, and as you can see, everything is already laid out and ready to go. From here, you have full control to edit and customize the course to match your exact preferences. You can adjust the content, restructure lessons, and fine-tune anything you want. You also have options to preview the course and access reports to track performance and progress. Let's go ahead and preview the course. You can preview it from different perspectives, either as an instructor or as a learner. To start, I'll preview the course as an instructor so you can see how everything looks from the creator's point of view. You can also preview the course as a learner, but that option requires you to sign up as a student. Since I'm already logged in as the instructor for this course, I'll leave it as it is for now and continue from the instructor's view. When you begin editing your course, you'll immediately notice how user-friendly the interface is. Everything is laid out in a way that makes navigation simple and intuitive, so you always know where to click next. Creating and delivering interactive courses feels effortless thanks to the drag-and-drop builder, which allows you to add, remove, or rearrange content without any technical skills. On top of that, you can leverage AI to generate course outlines, receive content suggestions, and even create assessments almost instantly, which saves a huge amount of time during course setup. Branding is clearly a priority here. With ProProfs Training Maker, you can fully white label your training courses and customize them with your own branding elements, including your logo, brand colors, and even your own domain. This gives your courses a professional and polished look that feels like a natural extension of your brand. And since learning doesn't always happen at a desk, there's also a mobile app that allows your team or learners to access training anytime, anywhere. Security is another area where the platform really shines. ProProfs takes data protection seriously by implementing strong security measures such as two-factor authentication and compliance with industry standards. You also have full control over who can access your courses, with options to make courses private and restrict unwanted users. This ensures your training programs run smoothly and securely without interruptions. Finally, you're not left to figure things out on your own. ProProfs offers exceptional customer support available 24/7 through phone, chat, and a comprehensive knowledge base. The support team is genuinely focused on helping you succeed with Training Maker and making sure you achieve your training goals, whether you're just getting started or scaling up your programs. Tool number 2, Udemy. Udemy is one of the largest online course marketplaces in the world, designed primarily to help instructors reach a massive built-in audience. Instead of hosting courses independently, creators publish their courses directly on Udemy's platform, where millions of learners can discover them through search and recommendations. This makes Udemy especially appealing for beginners who want exposure without worrying about marketing, website setup, or payment processing. Udemy is best suited for structured, topic-based courses such as programming, digital marketing, design, productivity, business skills, and personal development. Courses typically consist of pre-recorded video lessons, downloadable resources, quizzes. The platform handles hosting, video streaming, payments, and customer support, which removes a lot of technical friction for instructors. However, Udemy comes with trade-offs. Instructors have limited control over branding, pricing, and audience ownership. Udemy frequently discounts courses, and creators do not get direct access to student emails for external marketing. Automation, compliance tracking, and advanced customization are also limited compared to dedicated training platforms. Overall, Udemy works best for creators who prioritize reach and simplicity over control, customization, and automation. Tool number 3, Skillshare. Skillshare is a subscription-based learning platform focused mainly on creative and practical skills. Instead of selling individual courses, Skillshare operates on a membership model, where students pay a monthly or yearly fee to access all available classes. Instructors are paid based on watch time, making engagement more important than one-time purchases. Skillshare is ideal for hosting short, project-based courses in areas such as design, illustration, writing, video editing, photography, freelancing, and creative entrepreneurship. Courses are usually informal, broken into bite-sized video lessons, and often include hands-on class projects that encourage learner participation. The platform works well for creators who enjoy teaching creatively and building a presence within a learning community. Skillshare provides exposure, handles hosting, and removes the need for external sales funnels. However, like Udemy, instructors have limited branding control and do not own their audience. Courses cannot be white-labeled, and advanced features like certifications, compliance tracking, or automation workflows are not a focus. Skillshare is best suited for creative educators who want to share skills, build authority, and earn passively through engagement rather than structured training systems. Let's talk briefly about Podia. Podia is an all-in-one platform designed for creators who want to sell digital products directly to their audience. Unlike marketplaces, Podia allows creators to host and sell courses on their own branded storefront, giving them full control over pricing, content, and customer relationships. It combines course hosting with email marketing, digital downloads, and memberships in a single dashboard. Podia works well for hosting online courses, workshops, coaching programs, and downloadable products such as guides or templates. Courses typically include video lessons, text content, and files, and creators can structure content in a clear, easy-to-follow format. The platform is known for its simplicity, making it a good choice for solo creators and small businesses. While Podia offers a clean user experience and solid selling tools, it is more commerce-focused than training-focused. Advanced automation, compliance features, and in-depth reporting are limited compared to full learning management systems. AI-driven course creation and built-in assessments are also minimal. Podia is best for creators who already have an audience and want a simple way to package and sell knowledge without technical complexity. Number 5 on our list is Teachable. Teachable is a well-established platform built specifically for creating, hosting, and selling online courses under your own brand. It gives creators more control than marketplaces while still offering a structured environment for course delivery, payments, and student management. Teachable supports a wide range of course types, including self-paced video courses, coaching programs, workshops, and digital downloads. Courses can include videos, quizzes, text lessons, and certificates of completion. The platform also provides tools for pricing, coupons, upsells, and affiliate programs, making it suitable for creators focused on monetization. Branding customization is stronger than marketplace platforms, allowing creators to design branded course pages and student experiences. However, Teachable is still primarily designed for course selling rather than internal training or compliance use cases. Automation features, AI-assisted creation, and enterprise-level reporting are limited compared to more advanced LMS platforms. Teachable is best suited for entrepreneurs and educators who want to build and sell polished courses under their own brand without needing complex training automation or corporate learning features. Let me know your best pick. Drop it in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.